What is up, Toad AC? Today's brand new video is going to be about the new Tuesday update that happened yesterday that brought a new map and pretty cool stuff. So today, me and Tito are going to be showing you what came in the Tuesday's update. Okay, so for the items, they brought two little water balloons, red and blue. Try and drop it.
We have to hit somebody.
Like that, it makes you blue.
Hey, why you make me blue?
And then they have some water guns now, which it does the same thing as the water balloons and like the big ones. I think it's pretty cool. And they added some little features to the spawn map, which you can.
Damn, wait.
Swimming pool. Look, let's go down. Swimming pool here.
Chill area right here.
And they also modified the lake. It's basically like a summer camp now. Right here. I don't know. They added this little summer camp cabins were near the lake right here. But I don't know why you can't get inside. I don't know how other people's getting. Yeah, and this is pretty cool. I wish they let you go inside. Alright, and then for the the new things they added were like you have to go to the biolab, which I'm gonna show you after I show you the items you can get. Right now, I'm gonna show you.
Show them how to get to there?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Are you serious?
Something on the left.
Oh, my head hurts. So.
Bro. So the things you can get, these are like pretty, not that rare, but I personally like these. They have so they're basically like little mini mobs, toys you can use, not use, but like have as a little collection of it's like basically Pokemon, I guess. Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna go, bro.
it's just cool. Why?
I'm feeling kind of dizzy.
Bro, bye.
I'll hop on one once it comes.
Huh?
My brother comes home.
Oh, okay, bye. So it comes with these new things. They're like little toys that you can collect, like Pokemon. These are two that I like. There's many more I can show you right now. These are the ones I have right now. The Murder Bunny, the Ogre, Boo-Boos, all this stuff. Basically mini mobs for your toys stuff. And over here now I'm going to show you the map where you can go inside to the biolab, which is pretty cool, and you can make those little toys so you can collect them. Alright, so you're going to go into this little pipe. Oh, it's dark, but we'll just go. Watch out with the goon because it does some damage to you. And you just go down to the hole right here. Pretty long way to go. And now that you're up here, you want to go into that little pipe. And then just make it into over here. And then you're gonna want to grab a grapper hook so you don't get hit, killed by those. And then just go into this. But you're gonna want to go up right here. Go up there. Here up. Keep on going up, and then until you're right here. And then just go ahead and go. Don't go in the water because I think it does damage. There. Just keep on going. Oh. Okay. to your right. Do not enter. So you want to go up here again because they have roly polies. Actually, wait, it's on the other side. You don't want to go inside the canopy. Please. And this is where the... Oh, gotta watch out because those will crush you. See? Like that. Alright, right here is where you have to go up because I think there's ogres and ogres. So basically we're gonna try just going up. Going down. Oops. Almost got right there. And then you wanna go quick so they don't chomp you. Like that. Okay, we made it right here. I think you're okay, you're good right here. And what you're gonna do is do the code or this one. Which is just connect the lines.
Yes.
That. Green.
Yes.
Like that.
Yes.
And then, oh. And then, like that. And then it just opens up like that. Go inside of it. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then just go in here. Go through there. Elevator. Why don't you use pink salt? Alright, now that we're here, grab the crowbars and smash glass. Like that. Alright, and then, oops, wait, you're gonna need to keep it. You're gonna have to bring one with you. Well, they have one. And then you're inside the biolab. So right here, this is where you're gonna insert the little thing right here, and I'm gonna show you where to get it. Go through. And there'll be these little monsters, but they barely do any damage. Okay, easy. One more. Like that. So once you see these biolab things, you're gonna want to get your crowbar and then break it open. Break it right here. And then just do this. Do the wires. Like go like that. Red. And then green. And then when this thing comes out, I wanna go back into the okay. And then once you get this, come back here and then put it in. Pull the lever. And you get, oh look, I got a smiley. And then you get a random monster. I got a smiley, that's cool. And then if you don't want to just go behind. Yep. And then that was. So that was all for the Tuesday's update. That was a pretty cool update. They actually brought a lot of stuff. The new map, the cool, the little items, the pool items and stuff. Yeah, it was a pretty cool update. I like this update a lot because you can make the little toys thing, and they are pretty cool to collect. Because maybe, who knows, they could be rare one day. So yeah, this is all for today's video. Goodbye, guys, and hope to see you in the next one.